Internal structure of human heart is the most important topic always asked for board exam. Internally, human heart shows how many chambers? 4 chambers are there. Upper 2 chambers are called as auricles. Lower 2 chambers are called as ventricles. Auricles are called as receiving chamber because they receive the blood. Ventricles are called as propelling or distributing chamber because they distribute the blood to the body. There are 5 types of valves present in the heart, which keeps blood flow in one direction or regulate the blood flow inside the heart. First type of valve, that is called as tricuspid valve, present at the opening of right auricle and right ventricle. Bicuspid valve present at the opening of left auricle and left ventricle. Semilunar valves present at the opening of aorta and pulmonary artery. Thebasian valve present at the opening of coronary artery, coronary sinus, and Eustachian valve present at the opening of IVC in the right auricle valve. Look here. Internal structure of human heart shows thin-walled auricles and thick-walled ventricles. Wall of the heart shows variation in the thickness. The left ventricle is more thicker than right ventricle. Why? What is the reason behind it? Left ventricle consists pure blood, and that pure blood should enter into the aorta with great pressure. To create maximum pressure on the blood, thickness of the wall of the left ventricle is more than the, yes, which ventricle? Right ventricle. Left ventricle wall is thicker than right ventricle wall. Look here. 2 auricles are there. In between 2 auricles, interauricular septum is present. And in between 2 ventricles, interventricular septum is present. Here, right auricle. First of all, we can see the structure of auricle. Auricles are receiving chamber because right auricle receives impure blood from the body through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. While left auricle receives pure blood from the lungs through 4 pulmonary veins. Okay, 4 pulmonary veins collect the pure blood or oxygenated blood from the lungs and enter into which auricle? Left auricle. That means right auricle receives impure blood, left auricle receives pure blood. Therefore, these 2 chambers receives the blood, therefore called as receiving chambers. These are thin-walled. In between 2 chambers, interauricular septum is present. Then next, ventricles. Ventricles are propelling or distributing chamber because right ventricle receives impure blood from right auricle, left ventricle receives pure blood from left auricle after contraction of these 2 auricles. When the blood enters into the ventricles, the impure blood from ventricle enters only into the pulmonary artery. Why? This tricuspid valve at that time get closed. After contraction of auricle, tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve get closed. Therefore, only way to the blood inside the right ventricle is into pulmonary artery, and from the left ventricle, the blood only enters into the opening of aorta. This is the only pathway of blood. Why this blood not enters again into the auricle? Because tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve get closed. Tricuspid valve, last benches. Tricuspid valves and bicuspid valve get closed so that only way to the impure blood is pulmonary artery and for the pure blood is the aorta. These openings get open. When this tricuspid bicuspid valve get closed, at that time semilunar valves get open. Therefore, impure blood from right ventricle enters into pulmonary artery and pure blood from left ventricle enters into the aorta, and aorta supplies pure blood to the whole body. Right ventricle thickness is less than left ventricle thickness because left ventricle has to create more pressure on the blood so that blood reaches to each and every part of the body. Here, impure blood reaches to where? Lungs for purification. Lung is present in the chest. There is no longer distance between heart and lung. But pure blood should be goes to each and every part of the body. Therefore, this is under pressure. That pressure is created by the thickness of the wall of left ventricle. Okay. How many walls are present in the heart? 5 types of walls. Tricuspid wall present at the opening of right auricle and right ventricle. Bicuspid wall present at the opening of left auricle and left ventricle. Semilunar walls present at the opening of pulmonary artery and aorta. Tibiacean wall present at the opening of coronary sinus, and Eustachian wall present at the opening of SVC, superior, IVC, inferior vena cava. How many types of walls are there? 5 types of walls. What is the function of walls? To maintain blood flow in one direction is the function of walls. Okay. Internal structure of human heart shows auricles and ventricles. Upper 2 chambers called as auricles, right auricle and left auricle. Ventricles are lower 2 chambers, right ventricle and left ventricle. Walls are 5 types: tricuspid wall, bicuspid wall, also called as mitral wall, semilunar wall, Tibiacean walls, and Eustachian walls. Auricles are receiving chambers and they are thin walled up. Interauricular septum present in between 2 auricles. Right auricle receives impure blood from the superior part of the body through SVC, that is superior vena cava, and impure blood from the inferior part of the body through inferior vena cava. Therefore, right auricle receives which type of blood? Impure blood or deoxygenated blood. Left auricle receives pure blood from the lungs through 4 pulmonary veins. Ventricles are thick walled up, also called as propelling or distributing chambers. In between right and left ventricle, there is the presence of interventricular septum. Right ventricle receives impure blood from right auricle, and after contraction of auricle, then it supplies that blood, impure blood, to the lungs for oxygenation through the pulmonary artery. Left ventricle is thicker than right ventricle because it has to create maximum pressure on the blood, so pure blood can reach to each and every part of the body through the aorta. Valves are 5 types. First, tricuspid wall, bicuspid wall. Here we can clearly see that heart has to pump with pressure, so blood can reach to each and every part of the body easily. So that to create maximum pressure, the left ventricle wall is thicker, and walls maintain the blood flow in one direction, prevent backflow of the blood. Tricuspid wall present at the opening of right auricle and right ventricle. Bicuspid wall present at the opening of left auricle and left ventricle. Semilunar wall present at the opening of pulmonary artery, Tibiacean and aorta. Tibiacean wall present at the opening of coronary sinus, and Eustachian wall present at the opening of inferior vena cava. What is the function of walls? To maintain blood flow in one direction. What is the function of heart? Pumping of blood. Impure blood connection